Celebrate the season with the confidence and a radiant glow. Prepare for the festivities with the Ozone Luminous Gold Facial Kit. A ritual of gentle cleansing, nourishing massage, and a golden touch to bring out your inner radiance. So let's start the process. For the first step, you have to apply Gold Tan Takeoff Cleanser, an enhanced cleanser that works to enhance the skin's natural golden glow while gently unclogging the pores. Step 2 is apply the Gold Regenerative Scrub. This gentle scrub deeply cleanses the pores and gets rid of tenacious skin. Step 3 is to apply Gold Lush Beauty Serum. The serum works as a natural highlighter by penetrating the skin cells and generating an internal golden shine. Fourth step is to apply a gold inducing massage cream. This massage cream promotes efficient blood circulation and changes dull skin into skin that glow brightly in the evening. Fifth step is use gold hydrating pack. It provides skin with plenty of nutrients while tightening it. Sixth and the last step is to use Gold Sun Shield Lotion, excellent sun protection cream that not only shields skin from damage but also lightens existing pigmentation, dark spots and discolorations. This kit helps me to achieve a perfect festive glowing look. Get gold like glow this festive season at only Rs 250 with Ozone Ayurvedic.